Hi, I'm Richard, and me and my wife started looking into solar power a couple of years ago, and we finally decided after about a year that we wanted to go with SunPower. We chose SunPower because one, the longest warranty, the best energy output, they lasted the longest, and they were nice looking. They're local made, American made, and I love that. That was the factors. We contacted SunPower, and they contacted a local construction company, Energy Plus, who contacted us, came out at our convenience, was very friendly, very professional, finished answering any other questions we had, explained the whole process. Everything went exactly as they had showed us, exactly as they had planned. The techs and the workers were professional, courteous. They looked out for our concerns. This solar panel behind me is exactly what I and my wife had imagined and what we hoped for, and they left it just like this, very clean, very nice, very courteous, very professional people. I would recommend Energy Plus installing SunPower panels.